Hi YouTube people, I'm teacher REGY SAFADÁO, and today we're gonna solve 3 exercises about locating points on the Cartesian plane. Are you ready? So, come with me!
Hi YouTube people, welcome back. This is our extra class number 2 of 2. Let's see our opening. Yes, as everybody already knows, our channel is Mathematics Without Frontiers, and here we have classes of physics, mathematics, and English in 2 versions, one in English and the other one in Portuguese. Go there and visit our video classes in Portuguese. They are really terrific. So, let's start. Here we are today going to study the analytic geometry, the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane, okay? We are going to solve 3 exercises about it, okay? Let's see the first one. Come on, here it is. Plot the following points on the Cartesian plane. Remember, point P is always, this is a general point, all right? So this is the first value, the first number is always the corresponding value of x, and the second one is always the corresponding value of y. All right, this is x, the first one is x, and the second one is y, okay? So let's see the points. We have here 9 points to be located, okay, to be plotted on the Cartesian plane or on the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane. Okay, well, just 1 second. Let me move my window a little bit from here in order not to disturb, okay, our drawing. All right. So let's now draw the coordinate plane. Okay. Here we have on the horizontal position, we have the x number line. On the vertical position, we have y number lines. Okay, so we have 2 number lines, one on the horizontal and the other one on the vertical position. Well, let's now plot them on the coordinate plane. Point A is 6 and 0. Okay, so x is 6 and y is 0. So let's plot it. It's going to be right here. All right, let's do it. Yes, that it is. Okay, so that yellow point is point A. Okay, let's see point B. Well, point B is 0, 0. So it means this is the origin. All right, it is right here. Okay, because x is 0 and y is 0 as well. Oh, yes, that it is. The green apple 1 point is B. Okay, let's see point C. This is -2 and -5. Well, -2 for x and -5 for y. So let's plot it. Okay, -2 for x and -5 for y. So point C in blue is right there, quadrant 3. Okay, so let's plot point D, -1 for x and 4 for y. So this is -1 for x and 4 for y. The point's going to be right there on quadrant 2. Oh, yes, the red point is there. That is point D. Let's see now the purple one, point E. -6 for x and 0 for y. So this is -6 for x. It's going to be right there. Yes, the purple point is point E. That it is. Now let's see the white one. 0 is x and 5 is y. So it's going to be right here, 5 for y. Yes, that it is. The white one, point F. Already done. Let's see point D. Now we have that x is 0 and y is -4. Let's see, -4 is right here. Okay, so let's plot it. That it is. Okay, that's this point G. Point H. Well, we have that x is 6 and y is 3. So it's going to be right here. 6 for x and 3 for y. Okay, it's going to be plotted right there. Can you see? That is point H. Yes, it is. Okay, let's say the last one, point I. Well, that is 3 for x and negative 6 for y. Let's see. 3 for x, negative 6. Okay, it is on quadrant 4. That it is. Okay, so that is point I. Well, so question number 1 is already done. The numbers were plotted on the coordinate plane. And now let's see question number 2. Come on. Here it is. Yes, here it is. On a Cartesian plane, the points A, B, C, and D were marked. The only quadrant on which there is no point marked is, well, just remember once again, this is a general point P, and always the first number, all right, belongs to X, and the second one belongs to Y. Always like this. Do never move, do never change this position. If you do it, you're going to be mistaken. Okay, let's see. We have points A, B, C, and D. Okay, well, the Cartesian plane once again, number line X, number line Y. Let's plot them. Well, point A is 2 for X and 3 for Y. So 2 for X is right here and 3 for Y. Yeah, so that is point A. So point A belongs to quadrant 1. Let's see point B. Well, point B is negative 6 for X and 2 for Y. Let's see where it is. Negative 6 and 2. So point B belongs to the quadrant 2. Yes. Oh, second quadrant. We can also say like this. C, point C. 2 for X and negative 3 for Y. Let's check what it is. Yes, 2 for X and a negative 3 for Y. It's going to be plotted right there. Yes, point C. So point C belongs to the quadrant 4. So let's see point D. Point D is 5 for X and 4 for Y. Let's see. So 5 for X and 4 for Y. Okay, so it's plotted also on the quadrant 1. All right, so points A and D belong to quadrant 1. Point D belongs to the quadrant 2, and point C belongs to quadrant 4. So the quadrant where there is no marker point is quadrant 3. Yes, so let's give it an answer. Just move my window. Okay, can you see? So there is no marker point on the third quadrant, or also set quadrant 3. Okay, so question number 2 is already done. Let's go to the last one. Let's go to question number 3. Yes, here it is. Okay, well, let me move once again. I think here is all right. Well, let's see. In geography classes, teacher Kristen plotted on an orthogonal system the coordinates of some strategic points of a city, on which the x-coordinate and y-coordinate values are given in kilometers. By the way, the region is downtown. So let's draw it. Yeah. Okay, so the coordinates, x and y. Okay, x and y. Now let's draw. Okay, doing it. The vertical ones. Now the horizontal ones. Let's do it slowly. Okay, now let's check where the points are. Okay, the origin is downtown. The problem, okay, the word problem already said it. Let's see, point. This blue point is the school. The purple one is the bank. The green one is City Hall. And now the red one is the gym. Okay, now let's check it. Analyzing the plan, determine the coordinates of the bank, the school, the City Hall, and the gym. Yes, let's do it. Now let's see, the first one is the bank. So let's check the coordinates of the bank. Okay, see, the bank is right here. And remember, always says first the value of x, okay, the coordinate x. So let's see, -1, -2, and -3. Okay, so for x we have -3, and for y, 1 and 2. Okay, it is here. So we have that the bank coordinates are -3 and 2. Okay, can you see? Let's check it. Yes, the bank is -3 and 2. Next one is the school. Let's check it. The school is right here. So let's count it. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 for x, 1 and 2, 2 for y. So the coordinates of the school are 3 and 2. Okay, can you see? The school coordinates are 3 and 2. All right, let's check now. The next one is the city hall. City hall is here. Okay, always do first the coordinates of x. Okay, then y. Well, let's see. So -1 and -2. So city hall x coordinates are -2 and -1, -2, and -3. So -2 and -3. Can you see? So the city hall coordinates are -2 and -3. So let's see the last one, the gym. Let's do it. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So for x is 3, and for y, -1 and -2. So the coordinates of the gym are 3 and -2. So 3 and -2. All right. So the exercise is already done. We have solved all of them, the 3 questions we are supposed to. Okay. So now, yes, our special thanks. Well, thank you very much for all of you who watch our videos until the end. Subscribe to our channel, ring our bell, share this video with your friends, your classmates, your siblings, all those people that at this moment you think they need to learn it, okay? And of course, send us a thumbs up. It is very important for the increasement of our channel, its development. Okay, and it also motivates us to be uploading more and more videos to you. All right. Well, I am your teacher, REGY SAFADÃO, talking to you from Brazil. Okay, have all of you an excellent week. See you. Bye-bye.
That's all, folks.